Amazon keeps releasing kitchen gadgets that make cooking faster, easier, and honestly way more satisfying than it should be. From smart appliances that feel futuristic to simple tools that save you tons of time every single day. These are some of the most viral Amazon kitchen gadgets people are obsessing over right now. Some of these look unbelievably useful, and by the end of this video, you'll probably have a new gadget sitting in your cart. As always, all the Amazon links are waiting for you down in the description below. So let's get started. This is a smart coffee machine that completely upgrades your morning routine. Instead of rushing to expensive coffee shops every day, this machine lets you make rich cafe-style coffee right from your kitchen counter. With smart brewing controls and customizable settings, you can prepare everything from strong espresso shots to smooth, creamy lattes in just minutes. The sleek, modern design also adds a luxury feel to your kitchen setup, while the automatic brewing system ensures every cup tastes consistent and perfectly balanced. For coffee lovers, this is the kind of gadget that quickly becomes impossible to live without. This vegetable chopper slicer is one of the biggest time-saving gadgets you can keep in your kitchen. Chopping vegetables by hand can take forever, especially when preparing large meals. But this gadget makes the entire process fast and effortless. It easily chops onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more into perfectly even pieces within seconds. The interchangeable blades allow you to slice, dice, and shred different ingredients depending on what you're cooking. It also includes a built-in container that catches everything neatly to reduce mess on your countertop. The non-slip base keeps the chopper stable during use, making meal prep safer and more convenient. This mini dishwasher may look compact, but it delivers surprisingly powerful cleaning performance. It's perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, or smaller kitchens where space is limited. Instead of spending time washing dishes by hand after every meal, this gadget handles everything quickly while using less water than traditional washing methods. The easy controls make operation simple, and the compact size allows it to fit neatly into almost any kitchen setup. It's one of those appliances that saves time every single day while making your kitchen feel more modern and efficient. This chicken shredder became incredibly popular online because of how fast and satisfying it is to use. Normally, shredding chicken with forks takes time and creates a mess, but this gadget simplifies the entire process. Just place the cooked chicken inside, close the lid, and twist. Within seconds, perfectly shredded chicken is ready for tacos, sandwiches, salads, pasta dishes, or meal prep containers. The transparent lid lets you watch everything happening inside, while the anti-slip base keeps the gadget secure during use. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly fun to use in the kitchen. This rotary cheese grater makes food preparation feel smooth and effortless, instead of struggling with traditional graters and risking your fingers near sharp blades. This gadget uses a rotating hand crank system that works quickly and safely. It easily grates cheese, carrots, cucumbers, nuts, and even chocolate using interchangeable stainless steel blades. The strong suction base keeps it locked onto your countertop while you work, providing extra stability and safety. Whether you're preparing pasta, pizza, salads, or desserts, this gadget saves time while giving you perfectly shredded ingredients every time. This oil sprayer bottle is a simple gadget that makes a huge difference in healthy cooking. Instead of pouring too much oil into your food, it sprays a fine, even mist that gives you better control over every meal. It's perfect for air fryers, grilling, roasting vegetables, cooking meat, or adding light dressing to salads. The ergonomic spray design feels comfortable to use, while the transparent bottle makes it easy to monitor oil levels. It not only helps reduce excess oil usage, but also makes food preparation cleaner and more efficient overall. This Kraus kitchen faucet instantly gives your sink area a professional, high-end kitchen look. The pull-down spray head and flexible hose make washing dishes, rinsing vegetables, and cleaning the sink much easier than standard faucets. It includes multiple spray modes for different cleaning tasks, while the strong water pressure handles stubborn messes effortlessly. The stainless steel finish looks modern and elegant while resisting fingerprints and water spots. Sometimes small upgrades completely change how a kitchen feels, and this faucet is definitely one of them. This precision fast vacuum sealer is a game changer for food storage and meal prep. It removes air from specially designed bags and creates an airtight seal that helps keep food fresh for much longer. Whether you're storing meat, vegetables, leftovers, frozen meals, or snacks, this gadget helps reduce food waste while keeping everything organized. The sealing process is fast, simple, and highly effective, making it perfect for people who buy groceries in bulk or prepare meals ahead of time. Once you start using a vacuum sealer, regular food storage containers honestly feel outdated. This rolling knife sharpener kit is designed to make sharpening kitchen knives easier, safer, and more precise. Dull knives not only slow down cooking, but can also become frustrating and unsafe to use. This gadget uses a rolling sharpening system combined with magnetic angle guides to create razor-sharp edges consistently without requiring professional skills. Within minutes, old knives feel brand new again, making cutting smoother and more satisfying. It's compact, simple to use, and one of those tools that instantly improves your overall cooking experience. And finally, this Cisily kitchen sink caddy is the perfect solution for keeping your sink area organized and clutter-free. Instead of leaving wet sponges, soap bottles, and cleaning brushes scattered around the counter, this compact organizer stores everything neatly in one place. The open drainage design allows water to dry quickly, helping prevent buildup and keeping your kitchen cleaner throughout the day. Its minimalist modern design also blends nicely into almost any kitchen style without taking up too much space. Sometimes the smallest gadgets are the ones that make the biggest difference in daily life. So, which one of these gadgets would you actually use in your kitchen? Honestly, some of these make cooking look way easier and way more fun. If you want to check any of them out, all the Amazon links are waiting for you down in the description below. And if you enjoyed discovering these viral kitchen finds, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon gadgets you probably didn't know existed.